Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of GST on the percentage of 18% for purchase of out of state. Means if you are purchasing goods from other than Karnataka, 18% items. So 18% items, first I am going to explain what and all it will come. Like for example, the items footwear which is cost more than 18,500, trademarks, goodwill, software, biscuits which comes under all type of categories, flavored refined sugar, pasta, cornflakes, pastries and cakes, and CCTV and electrical transformer. So first I am going to explain the ledgers. First we have to create company. Already created MK company, activation steps and all I already explained in the last videos. So go to accounts info, ledger, create. Central purchases at 18% under purchase accounts. Applicable is here interstate purchase taxable 18% goods. Next, input IGST at 18% under duties and taxes, GST integrated 18%, normal rounding 1. Next, you can make it as party. See for example, GB and company as a sundry data. GB and company as a sundry creditor. Sundry creditor is a person who gives. So you can take it as any other country. For example, you can take it as Maharashtra. Okay, any other state. Here you can give as set or alter. GST detail is here regular. Here what's the country, what's the state name you have given. For example, 27. You can give as 27 5K 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 A1 Z5. Okay, now 18% items I am going to create. Inventory info, stock item, create. See for example, you can make it as CCTV. CCTV, it comes under electronic items, pieces, applicable, yes, on value, taxable 18%. Next, you can go for electrical transformer. Electrical transformer, it comes under electrical items, applicable, yes, on value, taxable 18%. Now we have to pass the vouchers, accounting voucher F9 purchases. So you can take it as GB and company, central purchases at 18%. Here you can give as interstate purchase taxable. So electrical transformer, next you can go for CCTV. Here input IGST at 18%. Okay, now the creation method of voucher done. If you want to see in the display daybook, GV company, it is 18%. Okay, if you want to see the display, statutory reports, GST R2 B2B invoice. Okay, so this is the way what we have done in the 18% items for if you are purchasing goods from out of state. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.